Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up or disable face unlock on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the start menu, then go to settings. In settings, select accounts on the sidebar, then go to sign in options, select facial recognition, tap setup, tap get started, enter your PIN code, and after that you have to position your face in the camera, wait until it's fully scanned, and once you see the all set message you can close this window, and now you can unlock your device using your face. And if you want to disable this feature, you have to go to the same account/sign-in options menu, open facial recognition, and tap remove. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.